guys, welcome back to my channel, Unique World. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review. This company is called TIJN, and I'm probably pronouncing it correctly. I'm not sure, TIJN or TIJN, but they are a eyeglass company, and you cannot see anything far away. I mean, I'm blind. But this is a company that has multiple eyewear. If you look on the site, you will see that it has different kinds of eyewear, and all the eyewear just looks really good. So it's really hard to choose which one to, kind of choose from. Because I was sitting there looking on the website, and it took me a minute to kind of boil down to two eyeglasses that I really wanted to try out. But I'm going to be doing a product review on their eyeglasses, as well as compare it to my LensCrafters eyeglasses as well. So I wear contacts majority of the time, but I also wear my glasses as well. But let me tell you something that I require in eyeglasses. I'm not that picky, but when it comes down to glasses, it has to be lightweight. I really do not like glasses that are really heavy, because when they are really heavy, they leave like little marks on your nose. And I know you've seen where it's like dark spots on your nose from your eyewear. So I don't like anything that's really heavy on the face. Another thing is when I wear my glasses, I don't like for them to slip and fall off so easily. So that's one of my pet peeves when it comes down to eyeglasses. And let me show you what my LensCrafters eyeglasses look like on me. Okay. This is what they look like. Okay, and let's go ahead and open up the package. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So really plain but nice. Okay, I don't even know how to open these. It's really tight up in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna open it. Oh, look, I'm about to break the siding of the box when you could just lift it up right here. Uh-oh, and stuff falling out all over the place. Okay, so it comes with your order number and your receipts, which I'm not going to show you my address or anything, so it's right here. But if you guys want to want me to do a unboxing or product review, I'm going to leave my email down below, as well as my P.O. box address as well. But let's get to it. So right here, when you open it up, it has hashtag TIJN Eyewear on Instagram to share the story of your eyes. And then it has their Instagram name. And I'm just going to show it on the screen so you guys can see their Instagram page. Okay, and this is what it looks like when I pull it out. Okay, and this is the cloth to wipe your glasses off with. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I'm not sure exactly which one is which, but we shall see. It also gives you like a little card It says show your inspiration in daily life with TIJN Eyewear to get US $12 off, which is nice. And I will definitely leave their information in the description down below. And then it says life is art. And then it has chapter 6, when the winds are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. So a little quote on the card. Okay, all right. Okay, look at the case. It's magnetic. So it's like this, and it's magnetic. Okay, so this is the first pair. Okay, this is what they look like. And I also have the website information on the side as well. Let's see what these are called. Okay, this is called Coline, and these are $60 without the prescription. So $60 without the prescription. And I can tell you guys that when I open these up, they are very lightweight, very lightweight. So I definitely like how simple and cute these are. And it actually goes well with my hair right now. So let me put these on and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Okay, I like these. These are cute. Okay, let me know what you guys think about these eyeglasses on me. Did I do a good job with picking out the first pair? Let me know in the description down below. I really like these, and they are definitely lightweight. They're not heavy at all, and they're good quality too. Like, they're really good quality. Oh, and they got the little T in the nose area. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's a letter T right there. So these are really, really cute. I like these. Okay, I like these. They fit my face very well. Okay, so definitely a plus for this. So I really like these. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next eyeglasses. Okay, the next one is called Mitchell, and I actually got these in blue light filter. And these are actually $80, and that's without the prescription. But you guys can definitely get prescription if you would like. So definitely know that you can definitely get prescription. But right now these are $80. And the reason why I got blue light filter is because of quarantine, me working, looking at the computer screen, I started my YouTube channel, and I'm constantly looking at my phone or the computer trying to edit videos. Plus, when you have little ones, you have to help with homework, and they're always on the computer, and you have to look at the screen numerous times. So I just thought, why not get blue light filter just because. Okay, and then it even shows blue light filter in here. It says shield your eyes from harmful blue light rays. So that's what they look like. Okay, so these are a little bit heavier than the last one because I think it's because of metal, but it's not as heavy. So it feels about the same weight as my Lens Crafters glasses. So yeah, let me try these out. Okay. These kind of actually match my hair as well. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like. So definitely different from what I would normally choose out, but I was like, let me try something a little different. But let me know in the description if you like these eyeglasses on me. I have to get used to these. These are definitely different from what I would normally wear, because I'm really like plain Jane. I don't really get like any type of patterns or different colors or anything like that. So this would have to, I would have to definitely get used to these. But if you like them, let me know so I know if I should just kind of keep wearing them just to kind of get the hang of the color and the pattern. So yeah, so this is what these look like. Gotta do my thumbnail. So yes, honestly, although this is a sponsored video, I truly think that these glasses are like really good quality. Really good quality. So I would definitely be wearing these because I know I'm always on some type of computer or phone. So these will definitely come in handy, and I definitely hope that it helps with my eyes. But yes, I'm definitely loving these, and if you guys would like to order you some, I will leave their information in the description down below. So definitely check them out, as well as a discount as well. So that's it for this video, and definitely make sure that you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for the next product review. And you know I'm always doing my DIY videos, so be tuned to that as well. Until next time, peace.